Of Texas, Dallas, America. You're the founder of the PFM, People Freedom Movement. What's your brother? What's your page? Your body, any level. You guys are in America, JP Esama of Sweden. Or Scandinavia, or whatever, Sweden. Mr. Quality, Irano Geniaga, Ambassador Blessing, Oru, Mario Boy, my Yakeniate, there are no Migo Nicana, or your papa, we will see. On a regal papa, you need to look away. You only send serious. Make passports, we racing up over a little. La Logo Baba, and say Nuka, now we're going to get to go with it. As my new, no, you know, almost one on the phone.
Hey guys, God bless you. This is Mega Comrade, live from Dallas, Texas, United States. Hi, Princess Inomo. As you can see, today's date is Friday, January 22nd, 2020. There are some certain things that I'm going to talk about, but I want to be honest about it, like I always do. It's going to be really, really hard. Before I will not say our state, Edo State, I will say Nigeria entirely, but meanwhile, we, the people of Edo State, is going to be really, really hard for us to. So, for us to be able to, I don't know how I will put this, but I want to be diplomatic about it. Sometimes people say, why Edo people are not uniting? They say Edo people can never unite. Or, unity. It is really, really hard. Because the moment you try to unite people together, you find out that there are a lot of scorpions. A lot of political scorpions. And a lot of snakes that will turn around and bite you. They will bite you like a cobra. Give me a second. Let me quickly do this. I was waiting for my son a while ago. In the process doing that, everything started malfunctioning. I decided to restart all over again. I want you to share this video. Unfortunately, I cannot share. I need everyone to help me share this video. I think I see you, David. Let's see. I need everyone to share this video. God bless you. Destiny, God bless you. I see you. Oh, see you, Destiny. God bless you. You know, we just inaugurated our new president yesterday. President Joseph Biden is now the new president of the United States. That being said, I want everyone to share this video. I have a message for a lot of snakes, some betrayal. You know, sometimes we hear that why do they continue to betray this person or that person? There are reasons for that. And sometimes in life, most Benin people, they don't value honest people. When you are honest to them, they will not value you. Give me a second. Yes. Yeah, go ahead. Speaking. Who is speaking? Okay. Oh, yes, see, master take one of never few minutes. Me worry life now. Test anyway. Your nana I make your number when I get off online. Maybe that should be in about let's say about 10-20 minutes. Yeah. So, like as I was saying, you know, in this life, the reason why Benin, there's no unity in Benin is because a lot of Benin people, they know how to betray their brothers. Some are really, really backstabbers. Man or woman, the same thing. There are people you will just pick from the gutter. You will give that person name. You will give him light. You will light him or her. At the end of the day, the person that you rescue from the trash, from the dustbin, will end up being the person that will come and fight you. And most our politicians in Nigeria, most especially some Benin politicians, they value people that they pay for. When you want to work with them, you tell them, go and give me 100 million, $1, $500. You tell them they pay for it, they will value you. They will respect you. It's like 419. When 419 want to kill you, they'll start with $1. They'll collect it, until it becomes too much. There you will be considering the money you have spent. So you won't want to lose it. Then you will fight so hard to protect it. But when you are doing it for free, people don't value it. It's a pity. It's a pity. That is why this Edo State police officer, a high-ranking officer, retired. He worked for Nigerian police force with his clean mind, clean heart, and clean soul. He never took bribe, according to the story. And they never promoted him. They were always passing behind him, promoting those that are collecting bribe. This is a warning message. A warning message. Social media have been, you see, since I left social media, there's no better thing on social media. No better thing. All they are doing is useless, blah, 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 blah. It's what they are doing on social media. You know what I'm saying? I want the whole world to know and mark today's date. Friday, January 22nd, 2020. There are people that are supporting my brother Pastor Sage Ezeyamu today because of the way people that surround Obaseki treated them. And there are people that is supporting Obaseki today because of the way people that surround my brother Pastor Sage Ezeyamu treated them. The way they treated them. When you treat them anyhow, they will say, okay, if you don't value me, I'll go to where they will value me. Some people are supporting Obaseki today because of that. And some are supporting Pastor because of that. But the fact is that those that have the wisdom of leadership, have wisdom of accommodation, wisdom of acceptances, are the one that will win. Who are you? I dey cause problem. Oh, where or should me now? I done it be or shemere. I don't see one. Oh, kuku. I done it be shemere. You are a man. No one is feeding you. You do everything you want to do to help the innocent people. Unfortunately, it didn't go that way. And you are doing it with your clean heart, and people will not value you. They will not value you. Just like what Ambassador Sayomori Joseph said, there's a music he sung. He said, when you put plenty money, they will call them original. Tomorrow, I want to let all my fans know, if you hear Mega Congress said, before I help anybody, before I can even endorse you, I will tell you, go and bring me so and so. Go and get me 200 million. If you don't bring it, because I have innocent children that I need to take care of, I will not even marry you. If it is Akpopowanga, if it is Scorpion, knowing fully well this Scorpion will kill you, I will use that Scorpion money to build fence, to protect myself. I will go and support that person. I am a talk and do. I don't hide behind people. There are some Benin people who are in this abroad. All they do is lie, gossip. They want to spoil everywhere. This is just a warning message. And for this social media, so-called, what do they call them? Social media fake food is ready. Food is ready social media supporter and fake social media presenter that is going around, try to reap for where they did not sow. This is a warning for you people. What you are about to step into, you cannot survive it on this social media. You cannot survive it. Akpopowanga, always be an anobi, be an ashe, that my body. All the attack, bruises, everything, spiritual attack, physical attack, financial attack that I've received inside this my body. It don't cook my body. All the venom they have already thrown it on me. All cobra, all is in my body. And my body, and the cooker. Now my body, and the dropper. If you don't want to receive some of them, stay your lane. No can jump past, enter my front. Neither they see you. They know they see, not stay behind me. Don't come and jump and pass my children. Do you know what know in this social media? Voice of Justice, Johnny Bizube. Johnny Bizube, Andrew Omofoma, They all would know that anything I don't need to call them, I don't need to tell them, they know whatever things I'm doing is right. If I say this, they know that I will never betray them. Never. I swear with everything I have. They know that. Like I always tell people anywhere I am, if you want to do anything, Johnny Bisugbe is not there. Number one. And Romofawa is not there. Forget about it. Count me out. Because up moment say, now who the tank person when help him? Now they get help. All these things that these people are trying to do now, I have not mentioned their name. If you know you are APC, you are an APC. Me, now PDP card I carry. I never get APC card. Now because of pastor, Comrade Adamali Osomule, Tony Kabaka, I'm a APC. I am a generic man, independent-minded man. As we are talking now, we know what is happening. I'm not stupid. I'm not a fool. 3 times since election, I don't go to hospital 3 times. 3 times, I know what I'm going through. Only one time, $13,000. $13,000. Only one time. With receipt. As I'm talking, I'm still owing hospital about $500 and something. Still owing. Thanks to one person who supported me with 5,000, another one with 300,000 naira. That is about, I know how much. I know how much I have spent. I know how much I have borrowed. I know what my family have been through. All because I want to fight for people. When I was in the hospital, nobody knew. I almost spent 3 days in the hospital. Now me born picking. I never, only God that know what I'm going through. There is a person right now who supported APC. As I'm talking now, is a problem. After the election, the thinking and everything stroke is down. Another one, after the judgment, he sleep, he not wake up, he die. People have lost their lives. This is not a joking matter. He sleep, he not wake up. So don't think you can just say you are a commuter. What are you? Where will they fight for pastor? Where you not carry your face come out? Pastor never become a governor now. Una do they follow corner. Take this, but let me tell you, I will live on for now. I first talk on one day. Yes, I know why. I'll just live on for now. I will live on for now. It's a Anuwa. If not be PFM, Abat don't bury John Mayaki. He bury and put leg on his head. He match. If not be PFM, let's call that Tewata. That boy learned many things from a PFM platform, from Iranomigo. If I do online, go to watch, go to pick him, He's a fast learner. You don't see him one time, he won't begin to learn. He won't be like Ferreira. He won't be like Ferreira. He can't fail because his star not be that star. How bad he learn? If you see how the worry, you know, say he won't learn. Only see he body to the pepper. He don't know how to take respect the elders. I know what I'm going through. The attack since I've been fighting what I received during this campaign from 2019, either December till this year, what attack that I received, I've never received it since I started PFM. I know what I went through. There was a time all pastors, strong supporter, almost all of them, they were all sick. All strong pastor supporter. Do Wationa or hospital. Wationa walk on me. Wationa walk on me. We know what we went through. How dare you? You will just come from one corner. You will enjoy, you just come from one corner. Today you did south, tomorrow you did north. You come up for one corner, you want to come and reap what you did not sow. Egba. You go and delete all those your corrupt idea. Me, I respect people. Once you betrayed me, I'm a leader. You see, People Freedom Movement, you did it. But why that PFM is still existing is because I am very, very strict. I am fair and firm and consistent. If I want to support any person today, I'll come out. I'll tell you, see, this is the reason I want to do it. The way people are doing it, if Pastor Osage Ezeyamu did not call you people to order, if Pastor Osage Ezeyamu did not call you people to order, what I did this morning, I sent a message to our leader, Pa Comrade Adamali Oshomole, who is our father. I delivered that message before I come online and let you world know. And if I leave online, I will still call Tony Kabaka. You have to stay, whoever, if you want to climb, do it, climb on your own. Don't neglect my children. How dare you go and create a platform, you not put a, who asked you to do it? Johnny Bizugbe, you are living, and your mother, not put on. Because now one, say, now one get money. Now I don't say money, no, they come. Ego day. Because that amigo, man, boy, me 5 or 6, 7 million, because my enemy am out to what I am here. Ni out, ni me hoy, I ni sigbe, and I sigbe. So why do you say your pastor? But I don't take on our own problem, take the spoil pastor name. I just can't warn everybody. But Tony Guérin for Dallas, Tadio, Omoru, all of them, make una just more not spoil pastor name. Tadio is my brother. I make sure their name because I want them to know. Say, make una dey do this. I don't want to hear that. I don't see anybody before I support pastor. Now, through Comrade Tony Kabaka, I know more about Comrade Adamali Oshomole. I begin support her. As pastor come, I begin support her. Follow chain of command. That is what I was taught. Not just come, you say you want to abandon my children. Once you abandon my children, you abandon me. These are the people that fought with me. Voice of justice from day one. People that we are taking care of our home, there are a lot of them. If not, I will just come out one day. Waiting, I will surprise. When I will just hear and my brother pastor, you know, get handed this, but I am telling him, listen, let me tell you one thing. Nepotism. There's nothing that destroys more than nepotism. You see, People Freedom Movement, none of my family hold any admin position. PFM, none of my family. Say, you want this one and my family. Make it, waiting you don't know. My people, let me ask you a question. How can someone who cannot even get 500 viewers or let's say 1,000 viewers for 1 year, be heading you, be controlling you, be telling you what to do, you will agree. You agree? How can person that created account when pastor day social media, he create account less than 2 years? He use pastor to grow in platform. We come to tell you, you veteran, you come to tell you, say, see, you agree? Now I know why about they take hammer, then they run. You know, sometimes in life, look at people. Me, I'm an honest person. I must, if Foba said do one thing when good, I will talk her. If this one do one thing when good, I will talk her. Emma, when I create platform, Johnny Bisugbe, and drama for one. When I feel why you are turn it to another thing. If any you go and dissolve that platform. That platform should not exist. Or else I'm out. Because when I can't see say one by fire, I quickly go add in an amigo name. I don't send another one. That one not concern me. Anywhere my innocent people go, now my day. Nobody they pay me to do all these things. So nobody. Make everybody take time. I know what I went through. Yeah, when you go through, I know what I went through. You know what it takes when it's at even a time for a labor time. Oh, you people should be very careful. I know what I went through. A lot of people die because of this election. Innocent people. A lot of people die. Win or lose, we did not worry. But why are you people trying to push somebody? Why? Many people, why are you people? Why? Why? If to say, do you think if I want to go and support anybody now, they will not? They will pay me. They will just have peace. If tomorrow, Mama, yes, I come out, you have your ball. A PC, why? They will get peace. They will just enjoy. Now, I'm not the light, now only PFN. Maybe money here. My PFN children is the only thing. Since when John Mayaki they write, Ebaseki want collect how many billion? He want collect. Una see where I talk. My people now hear where I talk. I not talk. Where the message go? You not go nowhere. How many people they read 10 paragraph? How many people are not talk? If Obaseki like, make it go collect 200 billion. If Obaseki like, make it go borrow 0. You think when you like, make it go. You know hold a hand. We just do election. You know hold una. How can you that cannot even run a winnable campaign? You want to come and destroy social media in my hand? When I was telling you people about a year or 2 years ago, this social media, I don't finish them. They were running. Albert were calling everybody, come and join them. I asked for assistance, no, not give me. What assistance? Not my man. Now, where area comes scatter? Instead of not to come, it go to the name people where not get 10,000 followers. No one PFM member, even my son, Destiny, the greatest commenter, or may I not mention their name? Everyone here, not so not be. Why are some people wicked? Why are some people wicked? So imagine my people, person you just give power, small power. You go the grab, una go so here and if they don't settle and quick. Now tell una say if I see chuku, I will come and talk am. Like that one, Geon they deny say Tony Geon for Dallas. In that one they deny say he not talk anything. Very soon the matter I will carry and enter public domain. When are the post pastor thing go enter do political forum? They don't let her enter. They will come out from me amigo. And you say you be pastor friend. And the other one, I will quiet because of only one person. Because I know what I've suffered. If tomorrow they call me, they give me 500 million, I know what I've suffered. I have suffered. I put my life on the line. My followers have suffered. Then one person will just come. You want to chase Andromo forward. You people were doing it. Kagaru, food is ready. Food is ready platform. We are not put Andromo forward. We are not put Johnny Bizugbe later. When I come here, say story one guy, man rush, go put Johnny Bizugbe. Man rush. Go add my number to authenticate that group. That is why I exit. That group is a fraud group. Anybody that is in that group, they are corrupt. A group of That's all I want to run Osadebe Avenue. A group of A group of you. Why Mozart you here? No man ever. Why they Mozart pastor? Anyway, Watara, Waladian to come and warn everybody. Why before you see my page, eh? I don't do 30. I don't do almost 100,000 followers. Where the John Mayaki open, all of them they don't pass. Governor Obaseki and them about the tire. Governor Obaseki buy platform, buy tire with Russia hacker. Then pastor team, APC team, they not fit give me even $10,000. They hire people, make them take loser. Computer. Nobody, none of them. If Obaseki can be tying your number one fighter, you not feel rescue. Who na one can rescue? Obaseki just take rope. He tie your number one fighter. Or one balo, riri, parlock. If you are paralyzed or even Wamaseti line, who are we who hear more. Ira one ever so, not fit. Who are where? Why when another take time? Mana take time when another was a good time. Janoro make me what say I make me. Imapo Poropa. More pure mena Usai Niji. Usapa or any ye. Usawa any ye Mapo Poma. All where do I any men? Now can't they use my name? They build on a use and build on a platform. They later now when people say, I get a call today, they said because they saw my name, my number was in that platform, that is why they stay. Why are you people using me? Why? Okay, let's say that I'm going to be waiting and draw more for my donor. Waiting and draw more for my donor. Waiting Johnny Bizugbe donor. The whole world know that and draw more for my, even I call Benny today. Even old Papa, they say, they try. Well, we are going. When I talk to them, I will cry. It has so. I know very well. I could read one. I know. That's so. Hey, very are here. Yeah. Yado. The voice of justice in Bizugbe. Bame comrade, Bame pastor. Wane Kabaru, Wano Leo, Wawarina, Wakan take over, Wayobo, Uliviera Kwa. Any of my, or you men or Agmawane, because Uwa Buku Mekwa. Obaseki awaho or what here or 10 million or 1 million. Yeah, will pay the time before that time. Problem is a problem. Why how away? Then a John over and one lawyer, only lawyer to teach. Or my lad in one day. Nowhere, first of justice said, we are going. At a time, even Atomofo was angry with me, thinking that they have given me millions of. There was a day Atomofo accused me, said I'm going to airport to wait for Comrade Damali Shomole. I said, Luckily for me, that the comrade was in a donut rally. It was in a donut rally. That is the luck. If not, they can say, he passed all you. I say, people were even thinking, Ranomigo, they don't give her money. That I did everything for Pastor because I want Edo to be, I believe, and I still believe Pastor was better than Governor Obaseki. And it's a feather. He has a good heart. But the people that surround him, I don't know me, I don't know him but the people that surround him, what I'm seeing, a lot of them are the problem. That is why they push a lot of people. When you hear they say they betray Pastor. We'll talk about that one. The reason why they do one. Just like in Ranomigo now, after all the labor I've labored, all the suffer I've suffered, everything I've suffered for, una want push me. If tomorrow can't come, una come here say I support Shaibu or Baseki. People will say, hey, Ranomigo, now they cause her. Wa be your man. Because of where I act, since when they promise they will help, before Corona start, they don't help go correct one person for Libya Road. They don't help for one this quiet. Is Yegbe. This money, when are they carry and go? Why am I going to refer now? When are they carry and go? Imagine, Tony Gale for Dallas when he don't know me. If that small boy came to meet me here in Dallas, and he stayed with Osati Rarewa, the keeper for house here. Tony Gale went to go and tell them, say, Ranomigo, he took controversy, made them use me and dump me. Imagine. But do you want more than the year? I want to go with Wagalway. Arazobona Bobaseki Renwano. Imagine now I want dump my children. Oh, now when they put for social media director, how many views are you to get? Where are you a social media presenter? Are you a social media influencer? What is your platform? Do people know you by how many videos can you do a day? How many videos? And Romofo and they come out. Johnny Bisugbe they come out. Ogide Ogimade Ofe whether I beg, why you make one? Wana ni watu tana una when get a big man one, I just sit down for one corner. And I don't take to the game. Everybody know I'm for Dallas in a liar. And I yes in a pastor friend. And they say, bro, you are in a Dallas with me. That's my boy. When I ask him, he say he not talk. He say he not talk. He say not talk. Okay. No problem. So can you imagine? You that is social media director, I'm asking you a question. Tell me your qualification. You know what I'm saying? So let me just stop like that. If I come out again, the whole world will know I will open my heart to the whole world to know. Make them see the world until they treat people. Johnny Bisugbe, Andrew Omofoma, they never get even 10 million. They don't get. From APC federal, APC state too, they don't get. People want just one cup ball. Even common 5 million, they don't get. Who say he send money, make it call me, make it tell me. Wait, let me see my phone. Whether he go DSF. Imagine. So far. Where worry? About it? That's why about they drive now they go. No, that is why about they drive now they go. At this time, I will just sit down for another time. In with a boost. Yeah. Why you are talo? What you talo? You na kia talo platform. You are talo. What you talo? Na kia talo platform. Yeah, what? I will just look na. Oh, now when they do the cargo routine, I know nobody know na. No, which person I don't help. Man, what does it? Why when I take time, person when quiet, you not be fool, I'm not foolish. Because I quiet now, because of comrade and pastor are quiet too. See Tony Kabakana, una don't abandon na. Una don't abandon Tony. Una don't abandon Tony. I don't abandon her. Tony go call you now. No, they carry phone again. I quiet. Tony go call. No, they carry phone again. Now they ask, say, Tony, how you continue to survive? No matter what, this fight. Now me and Tony. Tony go do video, I go blow up. Tony go do video, I go blow up. Tony go do video, I go blow up. Tony never come fight for una when just sit down now. All these politicians, other than our father, Comrade Adamali Oshomole and Pastor, how many of una don't say Tony, you too suffer. Where Ranomigo, I too suffer. Una don't switch off on our phone. Don't be me, I know they call on. I know they call on. I see Tony, they manage. Where who? Or come manage here. They manage. Nobody say they say. Call and make you ask her. Ask Tony, say all these people, they see they carry your phone. But Tony no. A phone they ask one phone be busy. Though they phone their phone, but the phone busy. They busy. Everybody say. You can imagine. Tell you why? Ba. Can you just nominate somebody, say, be this for us? People will nominate her, he go just throw it there. Oh, he don't grab her, so free. Give me now. Well, I love you all. Let me just calm down because of one thing. If not, today for be bumper to bumper. Today, Osadebe Avenue, there for the drink champagne. Yeah, to wow. Cool. Today, they for the drink. All these judges, now social media, they look. Now, the people they get, listen, social media influencer, they sway opinion. If you say, not talk, the judge will come. Everybody come, they will talk. Now, Obaseki. They know they see anyone when they say pastor. The judge will say, the social media, these people with the social media, they don't narrate me. No way about get narration now from my hand. Oh, no, more now. When my own editor, now, even though the early that I give me credit in there, that's why. Oh, honey, area credit in there. Oh, nah. The judge go run, go say they go narrate me. You know, see, as Obaseki run, he can't embrace social media. Obaseki know what in social media do. Obaseki know what in social media do. That's why Obaseki run. He embrace social media. Quick. We don't see a governor when they call, show whether me, I wish the luck. I know how many times you don't see our leader call social media? How many times? Joe Biden, he do social media with what did they call her? This girl from hip hop and Cardi B. You know Cardi B stripper. President of America do social media with her. Una go dey form big mality. Una go dey form big. Una go dey form big. I don't know why. Now with the 4B, one I just feed just buy build 300 million house. Una dey married up. Now with the 4 big man, now the 4 one at the handle, he not reach 4 when they carry. But yet, una know the let person hear word. Now you go there telling and you go there. Now my money I take about this one. Now we just the 4 big. Benere our woman. Oh what wagbe. Agbere iwo obugbe eletian o. Agbere iwo re. Agbere iwo re. Agbere iwo re. Agbere iwo re. Can you imagine? Why we not they do? I told them, I said, it is better for us to be in offense than to be in defense. They said, I lie. Why be saying only we? Why we not they celebrate? Why be say now so Obaseki people they celebrate? No, common sense not common. Ask yourself that question. Why we not come and they celebrate? Why? Because of this bureaucrat, because of this political correctness. Now me, I know pastor 20 years ago. I know pastor 200 years ago. Pastor na my neighbor. Pastor na my brother. Pastor na my cousin. When it becomes too much like that, people that want to come, you people are not letting them come. They go withdraw. That is the fact. Because they say, I know pastor 10 years ago, 30 years ago, when Unate Duan, I make us now win 2016 election. The same thing, nobody fear go let talk to now. I don't know, me go talk. They say, I am closer to pastor. I am closer to pastor one and take the square things. Election when we will win one hand. I too know if to say Edo people gather vote, we take 100,000 take beat Obaseki. They go fit change. No, they not go fit change. We cannot blame on ourselves for it. When I was diaspora, I said it many months. Ask Tony Kabaka. Since 2019, I tell them, nobody take them from my hand. Nobody I can't social media talk. This one why they talk so, I don't they talk privately since they don't want to listen. Tomorrow, right, if I can't talk now, they say, now their eye go clear. They know say, amigo, okay. Their eye go so clear. Their eye go so clear. I go so clear. One person go just come. He go just say, he not go let any, he go just spoil other people head. He go just spoil other people head. One person, you see all those my children, now these PFM members that suffer for pastor, suffer for comrade. Anytime I see people want to put them, I'm a good leader. I know the high body. If you bomb me, oh man, I wait in my hand, reach at the chop. If you give me, I will thank you. If you don't give me, I'm not going to worry you. Because nobody knows tomorrow. No power is permanent. Nobody have the monopoly of destruction or monopoly of power. Power come and go. No permanent person say this power is permanent for you, only God Almighty. No one knows tomorrow. Who could have thought Shaibu would be deputy governor? Who could have thought Obaseki would be governor? Who could have thought Pastor Saje Ezeyamu would move from PDP again? Even if you talk on today, the most powerful, one of the most powerful AP after comrade, now Pastor Saje Ezeyamu. After our father comrade. Now so people, they if they don't will let you talk to, now their own people, they will let you, they don't will let, they will come, not talk to this one, not talk to that one. Information went for rich comrade here, they don't let them reach her. Before you know Obaseki don't, I tell you, I say Obaseki, if I know Obaseki family, you people will, they be like Sida Akuta, they go to talk you about way. If you give them power, before you collect them, you go hear when I tell you that I'm not here. I'm not here. Not just take time. total. I am still owing bank, owing a hospital money. I'm still owing. Wait. It might pay hospital bill for. I say people get stroke. People get heart attack. The day of that judgment when they dismiss that case, Percy, one of my Percy boys, he say, "Hey, so you just sleep, you not wake up, or woman, because of this election. Because of this election, you know people when don't suffer." No people when don't suffer. Okay, you see, he may be yourself. He may be see the money I'm still owing. Look at it here. You have better 600 and something. Better. The man no ropa. I love you. God bless you. I'm not my own business. Yeah. Share this video.
No más a you,